Hey guys, Richard here from CarPlay Security. What we got today here is a Mercedes GLC 2019, and what we've done on this vehicle is we fully retrofitted in a brand new large new style 12.5 inch touchscreen, Android touchscreen. So we've taken, this is the original one that I had in there, tiny 6-inch, so we changed it to this nice large Android touchscreen. So I'm just going to turn this car on now. So it does retain your original system. So when you press and hold that, it gets you back to your original car system. So nothing's been taken out, it's all retained. And also retains the factory 360 camera that comes with the car. With the car into reverse, you can see there you got your factory 360 camera show up as well, nice and big. And additionally, with this system you can get various apps. So you can see that's because it's running full Android. You can download any app you want from the Play Store. So you got all your apps here, navigation apps, your Netflix, so you can enjoy movies on the screen. And also you got a little dashboard here as well, so you can get digital display. And if you do want, it does have CarPlay and Android Auto wireless built in as well, so you can wirelessly connect your phone and run CarPlay or Android Auto. Also, this is the videos you can watch on it as well, so nice and big. And the sound does come to the original system, so let me just switch to it. Okay, switch to that. As you can see, the sound does come to the original system.
Are your greatest allies.
They're kind of cute. Whoa.
When you're small, you have superhuman strength. You're like a bullet.
So yeah, if you want this installed on your Mercedes, you want a conversion done on it, just give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit us at CarPlay Security in the Ilford Ganshill IG26QA. Thank you for watching guys. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel.